Hello, everyone. This is immigration attorney Chowdhury from the Chowdhury Immigration Law Firm. Today, very briefly, I want to talk to you about claiming asylum in the United States. Now, if you are in the United States and you fear returning back to your home country for reason of persecution, um, you may be eligible for filing asylum in the United States. Now, one of the most important uh, thing to remember is that you have 1 year from the date of your last entry by which you must file your asylum application. If you don't do so, your asylum application will be very difficult to get it approved. Now, who are eligible for asylum? There are few categories of individuals who are eligible for asylum. In order for you to be eligible, you must fear persecution in your home country for the following reasons: one, for your political opinion; two, because of your race; three, because of your religion; four, if you belong in a specific group. So generally, those are the categories under which one is eligible to claim asylum. Um, the way also the application works is the first step, depending whether it's a defensive asylum or affirmative asylum, will determine what the process will look like for you. What is a defensive asylum? Generally, you file the defensive asylum when you are being detained by ICE, and you file asylum defensively. On the other hand, affirmative is if you are already in the United States, you're not facing any deportation, you come in here, you've made it into the United States, and now you assert or file asylum application. Defensive asylum applications are generally dealt with the immigration court system, whereas the affirmative asylum will first start off with USCIS, and depending on whether or not it's been granted, if it's denied, you'll move on to the immigration court. So it's very important when you file the asylum application to make sure it is as detailed as possible. You want to make sure you are able to put in a very convincing argument to USCIS or the immigration court as to why you are eligible for asylum. And also very important that you attach supporting documentation. This is just a general overview. Of course, the asylum is very complicated. Depends on what kind of asylum you're seeking, whether defensive or affirmative. I would strongly recommend, before filing asylum, to consult an immigration attorney and make sure that your application is filed with all the necessary information, which will give you the best chance of actually having it granted. Again, this is immigration attorney Tawsif Chowdhury. If you have any questions, you can reach us at 972-330-3800. Again, that's 972-330-3800. We speak Spanish, Bengali, Hindi, and Urdu. So thank you.